everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Valentine's Day heart surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, we're going to begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to turn my paper this way, and I'm just going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. This way it looks like we have a little birthday card. Next, I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it in half again. And then we kind of have a little bookmark shape. Now, I like to open up just one little flap, and then this way I can open this up and I can see all my drawings, and I have these nice lines here as little guidelines on where not to draw outside. Now, to get started with our little Valentine's Day surprise fold, we're going to begin with the heart. So we want to start right about here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve down like this. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So we're just going to curve up, and we're just going to come down. Now, starting here on the fold, we're going to draw a line that comes down. Then we'll just bring this line up to here. Now, inside of here, I want to put a little face on our heart. So we'll begin over here by drawing a circle for an eye. We're going to leave some space, and we'll make another circle over here. I'm going to add two little black dots for pupils. Then we'll make a little line across for the mouth. And a line that's going to come down and then up here. Then we'll draw a little line across for the mouth. Next, we want to open this up. Now, once we open this up, you see that we have two halves of our heart. Now we want to come in here and add some of the different details. So first, I'm going to make another heart down here. So we're going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up and down. And then another one that's going to curve up and down over here. Over here, we're going to make another heart. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up and down. And we're going to make it a little smaller. And then we're going to curve this back and then bring it to here. Starting here, I'll draw a little line that's going to curve down. And then we'll curve it up and go right to there. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up and down. And then we're going to come out and bring it to here. Right here we'll put a small one, so we'll draw a little line that's just going to curve up and down. And then we'll put another one right here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up and down. Then we'll do another one, we're going to come up and down to here. Starting over here, we'll draw another one. We'll just go up and down, and then we'll bring it right to here. And then over here, I'll draw another small one. We'll curve up and down, and then we'll go right to here. Next, we just want to take this line and bring it down, and then we'll do the same thing with this one. We're just going to bring it into here. And then right up here, let's add one more little small one, just to kind of balance it out. Make sure we stay underneath that little line. And then right over here, we'll add one more. We'll add a little curved line that just comes inside. That way it's just really nice and full. Now, the next step is we want to come in here and start adding little faces onto all of these hearts. And there's lots of different faces you can add. So I'm just going to show you guys a couple different ones, and then I'm going to let you guys kind of go ahead and create your own. So right over here, I'm just going to add kind of like a little winky face. So I'll begin by making a circle for one of the eyes. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to curve, and then it's going to come back. Then I'm going to add a little black dot in here. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come across. And then we'll make a little line that's going to come down and up. A little line across for the tongue. Now over here I want to make kind of like a laughing face. So we're going to draw a little line that's going to go in and then back. And then same thing here, we're going to go in and then back. We'll make a little smiley face right here. Then we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down and then up. With a little curved line for the tongue. Over here we'll just make kind of like a simple cute face. So on this one I'm going to add a circle for an eye. Then we'll add a circle over here. I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just kind of like 2 half circles at the top and bottom. And then we're just going to make a little smiley face right inside of there. Now over here I'm going to make another circle for an eye. And I'll make one over here. I'll make a little smiley face, and then I'm going to come down, I'm going to stop right there. Now I want the tongue sticking out of here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. I'm going to curve it around and bring it back. And then I'm going to make a little line that comes up and a line down the tongue. And then we're going to add a little black dot inside each eye. And you can also add some little teeth on here too. Over here we can make another little cute face. So I'm going to make 2 little circles for eyes. I'm going to color in most of them. And then we'll just do kind of like a little cat mouth right there. Up here I'm going to draw 2 little smiley faces for eyes. And then we'll make another big smiley face right in the middle here. And I'm going to make this one come down and up a little bit. And we'll just kind of color that in. Over here I'm going to make 2 more circles for eyes. And this time I'm just going to color in everything but just a little bit at the top. And I'll make a little smiley face mouth right in here. Now on some of these smaller ones we can just add like little black dots for the eyes. That way we don't have so much to fill in. And then we can make a little mouth. Or you can just make a little smiley face. But I like making a little open mouth. And then finally over here you can do whatever you want to. You can make any type of little face that you want. I'm just going to make another little kind of like cute eye. We'll do another little kind of like wink with a little open mouth. And then if you wanted to kind of fill it up even more, you can just add like some extra little hearts all around here. Just kind of fill up the area. You can make them different sizes. I like to do kind of like an odd number of hearts in here. Just kind of fill up the area a little bit more. But there you go. There is your drawing of a little Valentine's Day heart surprise fold. So when you have everything folded up, you just have a cute little heart. And then when you open it, you have all these little hearts kind of like exploding and popping out of there. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.